Hello everybody, this is my third screencast. I just wanted to show you where I do my screencast from, and so I do it from Screencast-O-Matic. It's actually quite free. You just load your recorder and something like this will pop up, and then you can just record from this. You'll just choose the side of your recording. You can make it that big or the whole page as I did, or whatever you prefer, and then make sure that you're loud enough to be heard by the time you're done with your screencast. Alright, so back to my website. Yes. So now we're in the home page, and today I'm going to show you how to edit your sentences and what you're going to say to the people. So whatever you have to say has to be very attractive to the people, and you can change it and change the colors. As you can see, it gives you the options on top, so you can make it either bold or italics or underlined. You can make it bigger. You have different types of colors for it. And yeah, different ways of putting it and so on. So let's type and let's see then what happens. Okay, so here this is our services. I'm going to be telling them we teach children how to read, write, and most importantly how to solve real life problems. Problems using school material. Alright, so since I'm done with that, I'm going to check my spelling first, because this is going to be read by other people. Then I can highlight the whole thing and either make it go bold. So I made it bold. I can make it italics. Switch off italics. We can underline it. We can put it in an interesting color, because this is going to be seen by teachers and mothers and fathers, and they obviously want something that is going to, I think I'd rather stick to the blackish color there. Yes, I like that one. And yes, these are my options. I like it underlined like that and bold. So we're going to tell them what the online classes have. Okay, we're not going to be talking about syrup in class unless syrup has something to do with mathematics. So here we're going to be talking, the first topic will be mathematics. Alright, so since we've already changed the color, oh my goodness, it's fine, we'll change the color. I'll show you how to do it. Maths, and then we tell them, we'll teach them how to count, because they're still young. They will learn how to adding, and all this material will be found in in their with their grades. So it's gonna go with their grades. So they'll learn how to count, adding, subtracting, multiplying. So I made a mistake with that spelling, multi. So I just wanted to show you how you can actually fix that. Okay, so I made another mistake on purpose. You can left click and then it's going to show you the right spelling if you're not sure about it. Excuse me. Alright, so since we had already chosen that this part is going to be in light blue, we're going to look for light blue here because that's where we change colors. And then it's going to look like the rest. No, that light blue is too light. So we're going to make sure it looks like the rest of the light blues. And it's still too light or the same? I think it's still too light. Alright, so we'll settle for that one. That's too dark, so we have to do it again. And I think it was bold. There we go. And I think everything was bold. We're going to change it to that color because that looks more appealing. Alright, so that's how you're just gonna categorize your things. So we're going to talk about English. And in English class, they're going to learn. Sorry, I didn't see that. They're going to learn how to pronounce, how to read, how to process information, how to answer questions, and so on. Okay, so as I said, what you do is you right click and then that's it. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the third thing. And the third category will be, let's just say, history. And so we're going to make sure that there's no grapefruit in the history. But we have maybe geographical history. History, history. Here we can add spelling. Yes. And like I said, if you're not sure, right click and the computer will give you the right spelling. History, yeah, anything that has to do with history, politics, they'll know who is the president of politics, who is the president of which country, and how does the look. So that's the first part of it. So we're going to I'm going to edit all of this without you guys. So I just wanted to show you how to edit it and stick to the same color. So right now I'm going to highlight everything and make it one color so it doesn't look alright. Thank you guys. See you next time.